10 2016 Ford Escape Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Mercon-LV 5-quart automatic transmission fluid. Ensure your Ford's automatic transmission delivers peak performance with genuine Ford Mercon-LV automatic transmission fluid. This exact OEM solution, engineered by Ford, guarantees smooth, reliable shifting and maintains your vehicle's original factory condition. Using genuine Ford parts, like this 5-quart fluid, extends your transmission's lifespan and ensures it performs precisely as intended. It's more than just fluid. It's an investment in your Ford's long-term health and optimal functionality. Ford OEM Mercon-LV provides unmatched durability and the perfect fit for eligible models. Always confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle. Drive with the confidence that comes from using parts made specifically for your Ford, keeping it running like new. Number 9. Amazon's best overall pick. Introducing Amazon's best overall pick, the Motorcraft XT105Q3LV transmission fluid. As an automotive expert, I can confidently say this isn't just fluid, it's the lifeline for your transmission. Specially formulated, it ensures buttery smooth shifts, unparalleled protection against wear, and significantly extends the life of your vehicle's most vital components. You'll appreciate the convenient, robust packaging, weighing in at 9.23 pounds and sized perfectly at 12 by 8.5 by 4.5 inches, making it easy to handle for your next service. Choosing Motorcraft means choosing OEM-recommended quality that prevents costly repairs down the road. This essential auto accessory is a smart, critical investment in your vehicle's long-term performance and reliability. Don't settle for less. Give your car the best. Number 8. Ford Escape 2013 to 2016 Transmission Oil Cooler. Keep your Ford Escape performing at its best with our A-Premium Transmission Oil Cooler, specifically designed for 2013 to 2016 Ford 2.5L models. This isn't just a part. It's vital protection for your vehicle's longevity. Imagine preventing costly engine wear and maintaining optimal performance simply by ensuring your transmission fluid stays cool. Our durable aluminum cooler does just that, meticulously cooling the oil to prevent high-temperature damage and ensure proper lubrication for critical engine components. We guarantee a perfect fit. Cross-reference 19042, CV6, Z7A095B, FO4050156. And back it with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Drive with absolute confidence, knowing your Escape's drivetrain is efficiently protected. Number 7. Ford Escape Radiator Assembly, 2014 to 2019. Experiencing cooling issues with your 2014 to 2019 Ford Escape Ford 2.5L automatic transmission, built after March 6, 2014. Our A-Premium Radiator Assembly is your ideal upgrade. Precision engineered to original specifications, this radiator boasts exact core dimensions, 26, 7/16, HX 18 and 3/8, WX1T, and matching 1/2 inlet/outlet diameters for a flawless, direct fit. Designed without integrated oil coolers, just like your original. Manufactured and rigorously tested to the strictest standards, it ensures superior performance, effectively restoring your vehicle's cooling system to optimum condition. Prevent overheating and protect your engine with confidence. Plus, enjoy peace of mind on every journey, thanks to our robust 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Get back to reliable driving today. Number 6. Ford 6F35 Transmission Rebuild Kit. Is your Ford 6F35 transmission feeling sluggish? Revitalize it with our Master Rebuild Kit. Engineered for popular models like the 2012 to 2016 Edge 2.0L and 2009 to 2017 Escape, this comprehensive kit, part number 6F35, provides a complete restoration solution. Forget piecing together parts. Our kit includes everything needed for a full overhaul or targeted repairs, saving you time and hassle. Each component is crafted from high-quality materials, meticulously tested to meet industry standards, ensuring exceptional durability and reliability even in harsh conditions. You'll restore your transmission to its original peak performance, extending its service life significantly. Plus, with Coladacor's outstanding after-sales support, you're never alone. Drive with confidence knowing you have a top-tier product and expert assistance every step of the way. Number 5. 2013 Plus Ford Lincoln 6 F35 Transmission Rebuild Kit. Is your 2013 Plus Ford or Lincoln vehicle's 6 F35 transmission no longer performing its best? Restore peak performance and reliability with our premium Transmission Rebuild Kit. Expertly engineered to meet or exceed OEE specifications, this comprehensive kit ensures a precise fit for popular models like the EcoSport, Edge, Fusion, and Transit Connect. Crafted from superior, wear-resistant plastic, rubber, and steel, each component promises exceptional durability, stable performance, and critical corrosion resistance for a smooth, dependable drive. Installation is designed to be straightforward, requiring no complex tools, making it a perfect, direct replacement for your worn or broken parts. Invest in a kit that provides a hassle-free repair and rediscover that like-new transmission feel with confidence. Number 4. Ford Transmission Shifter Cable Bushing. Is your Ford's shifting feeling sluggish or imprecise? Rediscover factory-smooth precision with our transmission shifter cable bushing and cap set. Designed as a direct replacement for KV6Z, 7K340A, and DG9Z, 7S004A, this crucial component restores crisp, accurate gear changes, eliminating frustrating misalignment for a truly improved driving experience. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, it's engineered for enhanced wear resistance and long-lasting performance, meaning fewer worries for you. Installation is a breeze, no modifications needed. Simply snap it into place using existing points. Perfectly fitting your Ford Edge, 2015 to 2018, Escape, 2013 to 2019, Fusion, 2013 to 2016, C-Max, 2013 to 2018, and Transit Connect, 2013 to 2021. It's the hassle-free way to refresh your ride. Number 3. Ford Escape and MKC Transmission Mount. Is your Ford Escape, 2013 to 2019, or Lincoln MKC, 2015 to 2019, experiencing unusual vibrations or noise? It could be your transmission mount. Our robust, OE spec bracket, BV6Z, 6E042C, is crafted from high-strength metal to securely cradle your transmission. This crucial component dramatically reduces vibration and ensures precise alignment, translating directly into a smoother, more enjoyable ride and optimal performance. Designed for a perfect, hassle-free fit, installation is straightforward with no modifications needed. Don't let worn mounts lead to costly transmission damage. Proactively replacing this essential part ensures lasting durability and restores the confident, quiet drive you depend on. Number 2. Ford 6F35 Transmission Master Rebuild Kit. Is your Ford 6F35 transmission feeling sluggish? Revitalize it with our Master Rebuild Kit. Specifically designed for a broad range of Ford Edge, Escape, Explorer, Fusion, and Taurus models, 2010 to 2019, this kit ensures a perfect, factory-grade restoration. We've packed it with top-tier components you can trust. Our seals, primarily made from U.S/Taiwan FKM and Japanese ACM rubber, offer unmatched resistance to heat, oil, and aging, preventing leaks and ensuring longevity. You'll also find premium NAK oil seals for superior abrasion resistance and excellent sealing performance. Precision machined steel plates guarantee clutch system stability and durability, while asbestos-free friction plates provide smooth, durable, and environmentally conscious shifts. Restore your Ford's smooth, reliable performance and drive with confidence. Number 1. Ford Escape 2.5L Torque Converter 2013 to 2017. Is your 2013 to 2017 Ford Escape 2.5L feeling sluggish or shifting roughly? It might be time for a new torque converter, and we've got the meticulously engineered solution to bring back that factory-fresh feel. This isn't just any replacement. It's designed for peak performance and longevity. Experience truly smooth, responsive acceleration thanks to the all-new clutch lining, which ensures efficient power transfer without any hesitation or shudder. We've also fitted new bearings for whisper-quiet operation and superior durability, protecting your transmission for miles to come. And what truly sets this apart is the new Sprag, guaranteeing reliable engagement and precise gear changes every single time. Reclaim the smooth, confident drive you love in your Escape with this expert-grade upgrade. So, that sums up my 2016 Ford Escape transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.